If you've ever felt that frustration when the screen won't respond, the battery drains weirdly fast, or you're simply getting it ready for a new owner, I totally get it. A factory reset is the ultimate fix for these persistent bugs. If you need to know how to factory reset your Fitbit Charge 6, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Anna from For Real, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you the complete, safe process step by step, using only the device itself. But here's a critical warning. Performing a factory reset will permanently erase all of the data stored directly on your tracker. Your steps, recent activities, everything. It will be completely wiped clean as if it just came out of the box. So before we press that final button, there's one crucial step. Open the Fitbit app on your phone and manually sync your tracker one last time. This makes sure all your hard-earned stats are saved to your Fitbit account in the cloud before they're wiped from the device itself. Don't skip this. Now, with that in mind, here's a quick fun fact for you. Ever wonder where the name Fitbit came from? It's a simple combination of fit for fitness and bit for the unit of digital information, perfectly summing up what these little gadgets do. All right, let's dive into the reset process. I'm going to walk you through the menus on the Fitbit itself. It's simple once you know where to look. Let's get that tracker back to its factory fresh state. Okay, step 1. From your main clock face, I want you to swipe down from the top of the screen. You'll see some quick settings, but just keep swiping down through the options until you see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and tap that. Perfect. Now you're in the main settings menu. We need to scroll down this list. Keep swiping up on the screen to scroll down until you find the option called Device Info. Tap on that to enter the next menu. Quick pause. If this video is helping you out, do me a huge favor and hit that like button below. It really helps the channel and tells me I'm making useful stuff for you. Thanks. Okay, back to it. Inside the Device Info menu, you need to scroll down one more time. Right at the bottom, you'll find the option we're looking for. Clear user data. This is the one that will restore your tracker to its Fitbit Charge 6 default settings. Tap on it. Your Fitbit will now give you a final warning. It's making sure you really want to do this. It will say something like, "This clears your data and disconnects the device." This is our last chance to back out. To proceed, scroll down this warning message. At the bottom, you'll see a bright blue button that says hold 3 seconds. Place your finger on that button and hold it down for the full 3 seconds. You'll feel a vibration and the screen will go black. That's it. The reset process has begun. While it's resetting, here's another cool piece of tech trivia. Your Fitbit counts steps using a tiny sensor called a 3-axis accelerometer. It measures movement in all directions and uses clever algorithms to tell the difference between a genuine step and just a random arm movement. Quick tip, what if your screen was so frozen you couldn't even swipe to get to the settings menu? Before you give up, try a simple restart. This will not erase your data. This simple restart often fixes temporary freezes and might save you from needing a full factory reset. And there you have it. The screen will show the Fitbit logo, and then it will eventually land on a screen prompting you to download the app. Your Fitbit Charge 6 is now completely wiped and restored to its original factory settings. No more glitches, and if you're selling it, your personal data is completely gone. You're ready for a fresh start or to set it up for a new user. So what do you do now? If you're keeping the tracker, open your Fitbit app and you'll need to set it up again just like it was a new device. The app will walk you through it. If you're selling or giving it away, your job is done. It's completely clean and safe to hand over. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more simple tech tips from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other tech questions do you have? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.